Hi guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix EA application not opening. Step 1, check system requirements. Ensure your PC meets the minimum system requirements for the EA app. If your system is outdated, the app may fail to launch. So make sure that you have this operating system. Ensure you're running a supported version of Windows, for example, Windows 10 or 11, RAM and processor. Verify that your system has sufficient resources to run the application. And then number three, DirectX and Visual C. Make sure you have the latest version installed. Step two, restart your PC. Before diving into advanced fixes, restart your computer. This can resolve temporary issues caused by background processes or system glitches. Step 3, run the EA app as administrator. Running the app with elevated privileges can resolve permission related issues. Step 4, check for updates. An outdated EA application may fail to open. Update it to the latest version. Manually download updates. You can visit the EA application website and download the latest version. Step 5, clear the EA application. Close the EA application, and then you can also open the EA app data folder. Just type run and then press this enter, or just type person symbol, update the person symbol, navigate to the EA app folder and delete the cache folder. Step 3, restart the application. Step 6, you can now repair or reinstall the application. Just go to add or remove programs, uninstall EA application, and then download and reinstall it again. Visit the EA application website and download the latest version. Step 6, last step, you can check your internet connection. You can restart your router, test your connection, or switch to wired connection. As simple as that. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.